you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have the manifestation box and the Mother Earth wrap club to show you for September. Do you want to know what's in my boxes? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So again, September 2023 manifestation box and Mother Earth wrap club just arrived. They did send these to me for review, so thank you so much for sending me your amazing boxes to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. You know, I absolutely love both of these subscriptions. I can never make up my mind on which one I would actually choose if I had to choose only one of them. I love them both. I just absolutely love her jewelry, everything that she represents, everything that these boxes represent, and I just love that. It's all about self-care, being true to yourself, different intentions to work with every single month, your astrology. That's why I just love everything that these boxes represent. Let's go ahead and dive into the manifestation box first, and then I will show you what is inside the Mother Earth wrap club. With this one, you will get your astrology. So when you sign up, you let them know which zodiac sign you are, so you get it tailored for yourself. You will have your astrology, you will have what we're working with for that month, and it will tell you all types of amazing things to do to help you work with that. Then you also get a healing crystal, you get a bracelet, and a necklace. You also get 2 meditation cards, one for you to keep and one for you to gift, and that is all included in this box right here. I absolutely love the boxes. I love the colors. Are you ready to manifest your dreams? Yes. Let's go ahead and see what this month brings. There's always a really cute sticker on the top, keeping everything together. And then when we open it up, that is the presentation right there. So let's go with all the paperwork and stuff first. Ooh, it does show you some more of the beautiful jewelry. You can actually purchase any of their pieces individually. You don't have to have a subscription. You can purchase bracelets, necklaces, earrings, there's keychains, regular crystals. There's all kinds of stuff that you can find on their website ready to go. There's even some bundles where you can get like 3 or 4 bracelets in a bundle to save money. So if you want to check them out, the link will be below, and SheCrafty will save you 20% off all of their online products and the subscription boxes. So keep that in mind if you see something that you would like. Here are the 2 meditation cards that I told you get, one for you to keep and one for you to gift if you wanted to give it to somebody, or you can keep them both, whatever you would like. You have the option. Daring to set boundaries is about having the courage to love ourselves even when we risk disappointing others. Definitely super, super true. I love that. So here is the cards for the month. Now it says, the power of boundaries, how setting limits can create a happier, healthy life. So that is what we are working with. So this is the practice for this month. You can read the whole entire page, and that'll help you with that intention for the month. And then you have the astrology. I am a Scorpio, so this is all for me. Again, it will be tailored for your own astrology. When you check out, you tell them what you are. Here's my Scorpio. So I sit down and I read that. I love having a new astrology every single month. It's so cool. So down inside of here, you are going to find your healing crystal and the bracelet. One good thing that I absolutely love about this company is they give you these really cool cards. These cards not only have a simple picture so you know what it is, almost every word on here I can read. And then I love that it does have that photo. So if you ever do have a crystal that you're like, what was this one again? And what does it do? You can pretty much match it up by the picture, read what it is, and you already are covered with these cards. And I like how small they are, so they're very convenient to save. I have them all in alphabetical order and I keep them. I absolutely love them. So let's get these out so we can talk about, ooh, that is absolutely gorgeous. It's like these mauvish, pinkish tones to it. Oh my goodness. Okay, so this is rhodonite. I'm not sure how to pronounce some of the crystal names, but that is that one. Oh my goodness. It says, known as the rescue stone. It bolsters feelings of forgiveness and compassion and unconditional love. Its strong heart-based medicine helps release your fears, which are sometimes disguised as toxic emotions like anger, jealousy, or resentment. It surrounds you with the highest vibrations of love and pink energy. That's something I definitely need to be wearing on a daily basis. But isn't that absolutely beautiful? I love those colors. And I love wearing like a burgundy or mauvish color. So those are just beautiful. I love all the little color variations between them. So again, that is the rhodonite. Then the crystal for the month, it's shaped kind of like a little egg. It's super, super cute. This is rose quartz. So you do have your card for rose quartz. Rose quartz is an excellent heart healing gemstone. It is a nature remedy that can be used for treating any issues that needs emotional healing. It is a pink colored crystal that carries a very gentle and soothing energy and gives comfort to anyone whose heart has been wounded. Awesome. I love rose quartz. So that is just beautiful. I want to try to find like little stands for all these little eggs that I get. I got to find a little stand somewhere, but that is so pretty. I love rose quartz. So then down inside of here is going to be the necklace for the month. You also have the card for it as well. And this month we have selenite. So there's the card for it. Ooh, I don't think I've ever had this like in a necklace form. I mean, I have a lot of them just in like single form just to hold, but not like this big old thing right here to wear. Look at how nice that is. That's a big piece of it too. And it's on this nice silver chain. You do tell them the length of the chain you want and your wrist size. So again, it's really tailored just for you with your astrology and your right wrist and your right like neck length that you want for it. And most of the time, it's mainly all silver tones. Every once in a while, you might get like a rose gold or maybe a yellow gold. But generally speaking, it's mainly a silver tone for the necklace, which I'm all for silver. So I'm a silver hoe through and through. So I love silver for sure, but look at how gorgeous that is. Selenite is one of the most important tools in any energy worker or crystal lover's arsenal. Through clearing energy blockage, selenite allows for liquid-like energy fluid. Its extremely high vibration floods your energy field with the highest vibrations of light. That is so pretty. It's not too heavy, even though it is like a big piece of it. This isn't a very heavy material, so it's not too heavy. It's not like it's gonna be weighing me down or anything like that, but look at how gorgeous that is. Oh my goodness gracious, I love it. And that is a great size. I'm sure they're all gonna like vary a little bit by the size because they're all handmade, but they should be pretty much just like this. That is amazing. That is so cool. So that is everything for the manifestation box for this month. You have the 3 cards for the 3 different crystals that we have. So we have the necklace, the bracelet, and the healing crystal, along with the cards and what we're working with and all of that good stuff. So now that is everything for the manifestation box for September. So now let's go ahead and dive into the Mother Earth Wrap Club for September. For this one, it's mainly just for the wrap bracelet. You do get one little gift item in there as well, a little surprise. It could be anything and everything under the sun that you can get in there, but you get a little surprise with it, which I really like. So you do get something other than the wrap bracelet, but you don't get the meditation cards, the paper that you're working with for the month, or your astrology or anything like that. This is just mainly for the wrap bracelet. So it does come down in an envelope like this with their sticker. And then down inside, all right. So down inside, we do have some more paperwork that goes over some more of their beautiful and stunning jewelry. Oh my gosh, I just love everything, you guys. Look at that one. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. You can stack them, you can wear them individually, you can do whichever you would like, but these are just so pretty. So for this one, again, you do have your wrap bracelet and then you have a little treat. Let's go with the little treat for this month. It says Boundaries Conversation Deck. What would you do? That's what it looks like without the plastic on it. Right there. It says the Boundaries Deck. There are 2 kinds of cards in this deck. Reflection cards are designed to help you become more conscious of your thought patterns, how they have been influenced by your past, and how we'd like to shape them to better suit your present and future, and also can be used for discussion. The situation cards are designed to help you consider potential scenarios so you can plan out strategies to manage them effectively. All right, so we have two different decks, like it said. We have the reflection cards, which are blue, and then it says, what would you do, are green. So there's the two different sets. So like, for example, this one says, how were boundaries communicated to you as a child? This one here says, in a grocery store, the person next to you in the produce aisle sneezes without covering their mouth. What would you do? The person interviewing you for a new job asks why you left your previous position. You could explain the horrible situation that caused you to leave, but you don't want to seem unprofessional. What would you do? That is cool. These are like really like some questions that make you really think. A friend asks you to borrow some money, but hasn't paid you back from the last time. What would you do? You're out to eat and someone has a toddler with them that is running around and keeps bumping into you. What would you do? A friend always hugs you when they see you and you aren't comfortable with hugs. What would you do? Do you plan your time in alignment with your priorities? What drains you the most? What obligations would you leave behind if you wouldn't experience negative consequences for doing so? What energizes you the most? So there is a whole lot of cards you can go through, and you have two different types of cards, which is really, really cool. All right, so there is the conversation cards. Super neat. I love seeing the free little gift because it's such a mystery and it's just so cool. So that is a great gift in there. Now let's go with the actual Mother Earth wrap bracelet, you guys. It always comes down in their little box with their sticker on there. Ooh, and this month we have strawberry quartz. So it kind of looks similar, like the color combination, but it's not the same crystal. Look at how gorgeous these are. Same kind of color tones, but this is just a little bit lighter of a variation. Plus they are smaller. I absolutely love the wrap bracelets. So for this one, it says strawberry quartz. It is primarily a stone of joy. It enables us to see the happy, beautiful, and pleasant aspects of life. It increases optimism and positive thinking. If you have been stuck in a rut of negativity, pessimism, or depression, strawberry quartz helps to transform those feelings into more uplifting and supportive feelings. If your daily life is feeling stagnant and dull, then this stone helps you recognize the simple pleasures that used to make you happy. That is an awesome one to have on you too. And that's another thing, I love seeing like what they're intended for. This is theirs too. This just matched me today. I tell you guys, everything I'm wearing, I just pull something that matches. And I'm wearing at least one bracelet or wrap every single day. So let's get this one on. And it fits me perfectly. She shorted these, which is good because then she saves on material. I was totally fine with that. But now they like fit me perfectly. They're not too big now. I love it. But look at how beautiful that is. I love all of those colors, you guys. So, so pretty. Oh my gosh. See, and again, I wouldn't be able to choose which one I liked better. I just can't. I love them both. So now that is everything for the Mother Earth Wrap Club for this month. You have the beautiful wrap bracelet, and then you have your conversation deck. Okay, you guys. So now that is everything for the Mother Earth Wrap Club and the manifestation box. Comment down below and let me know which one did you like better. Could you have chose? Because I can't. If you could choose, definitely let me know which one would you choose if you could choose one of them for this month. Which one did you like better? I absolutely love everything about this company. That doesn't change. They were voted #1 for a reason, let me tell you. If you would like a little bit more information about these boxes, I will let you know right about now. Again, I do have my code SheCrafty to save you the 20% off all products and your first subscription box. Again, they have all of their individual items you can purchase at any time. You do not need a subscription to do so. So for the manifestation box, the one where you get the bracelet, the necklace, the healing crystal, the astrology, the what you're working with, and the meditation cards. So for that one, if you do month to month, it's $39. 3 months will bring it down to $36. 6 months will bring it down to $34. And 12 months will bring it down to $33 per month. And then for the Mother Earth Wrap Club, that one you get the wrap bracelet and one free little gift inside as well. That one's the same pricing. You do month per month for $39. 3 months will bring it down to $36. 6 months will bring it down to $34, and a full 12-month plan will bring it down to $33 per box. Everything will be linked down below. And again, SheCrafty will get you that 20% off if you are interested. So again, comment down below and let me know what you thought about it. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.